Dalawa lang daw, kuya. Sorry. Ay. Siyempre, ang sisig ng Kapampangan. Nakita nyo? Yung pinalipad na tilapia.
Okay, so, can you understand this?
Itda, siyempre, pahaba ng buhay. Gulay. Lunch. So, let's go for the dessert here. See? You see that? Oh my. Oh. Try this. See that?
Madaming views.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Grace. So, yun na yun. Oh, see? But, malaki lang siyang tingnan. But, it's very fluffy. Yeah. Yum, yum.
Subscribe sa Glenna. Panood po kayo. Good luck sa Glenna.